Hey everybody, I'm Brian Staller, the inventor and founder of Amp Genie. Thanks for joining us here at CES in Denver 2024. We are out here at booth 1653 showing off our creation, the Amp Genie. And what the Amp Genie does, and the reason why you'd want one, is it solves the age-old problem that integrators deal with and stereo owners deal with, which is how do you start your receiver, your AVR, just by playing an audio source? And the killer application for that is like streaming systems like Sonos, for example, where you have players all over the house that start immediately, but then the minute that you connect it to a home receiver, it makes it much harder to use. So of course there's solutions like works with Sonos out there. They don't work with every brand, they have some technical challenges. Amp Genie takes the opposite approach, a very retro approach if you will, because we do the same thing starting the receiver, but we actually do it by actually sensing audio. So I'm going to give you a quick little demo of watching an Amp Genie in action right now. So you'll notice, if you look at the Marantz, it's actually powered off right now, and our turntable is not playing, it's spinning, but the needle's up. So what's going to happen is when I drop the needle on the record, Amp Genie is going to hear that audio being produced by the turntable, and it's going to send the IR commands to the receiver, and it's all going to happen in less than 1 second. So here we go, 3, 2, 1, and you'll see it's already started the receiver, said power on, all channel stereo DSP, it's setting our input, and we're just waiting for the Marantz to finish warming up, and we should have audio just like that. So what just happened there was literally all I did was drop the needle on the record, and that booted up the receiver, set it to the right input, and it gave us audio. So that's really what both integrators and AVR owners have wanted for a long time, is just let me start my player, that's easy, and I want the receiver to follow automatically. And it doesn't just work with streamers and turntables. In fact, if you check out our video, you can see we work with all types of inputs, whether they're analog, digital, SPDIF, optical. And in fact, I'm going to show you the back of a live Amp Genie right here. And you can see, and they actually do come in just black, but this is a cool little demo we made in red. And you can see that they have optical inputs, it has digital SPDIF inputs, as well as your traditional analog. And we made our own short cables because we're installers and we love clean installs and we cannot lie. All the short cables actually come in the box, so everything you need is included. The IR emitter, the IR direct connect cable, all 3 types of audio cables, even the power supply. So everything that you need is in the box to roll up and do a very easy install. So that's the spiel for Amp Genie. Thanks so much for joining us here at CEDIA 2024 in Denver at booth 1653. And for more information, go to www.ampgenie.com.